about this, that ETH should be like the next Amazon. Now, it's very possible. It's very possible, but you know, don't get lost in trading. Now, that depends on everybody's goals. If you have a goal of holding for 10 years or 15 or 20 years or whatever it is, then go and do that. And if you have a goal for trading and you want to make quicker gains or shorter gains, I'm not saying it's going to be more, especially if you're going to hold for 20 years or 10 years or whatever. You need to know what you want, right? And it comes down as simple as that. Having a spot bag, if you have the patience for it, 100% is fantastic. And I do believe that you're right when you say this, that it could be something like the next Amazon, right? And from a chart perspective, right? But not because of the weekly red 200 moving average and because of the build structure here, right? And this is why I keep saying that potentially we can have a 10 to 20-year bull market, right? Because we have long-term bullish structure, right? And I'm not talking about fundamentals or anything when I say that. I'm saying we can have a long-term bull market, 10 or 20-year bull market, because we have bullish weekly structure. Now, on ETH, but I'm talking about the market cap, the total market cap, and even Bitcoin and Ethereum fits that mold as well. And there's many other coins, like I've talked about Atom. I think Atom is going to go into a major bull market. I think Link is going to go into major bull markets. And the Rain, I think Rain's going to go into major bull markets. There's lots of coins that look like they have bullish weekly structure, and bullish weekly structure can run for years and years and years. So on top of that, crypto was growing, and of course, all the good fundamental stuff, and digital currencies in a whole. So everything looks really good. Now, if we just look at Amazon, for example, look at Ethereum here, we start breaking out above weekly bullish structure down here. You can see what Amazon did back in the year 2004, right here, this here. So we broke out of the bullish structure. Look at the white 100 moving average curling underneath price. Look at the white 100 moving average curling underneath price on ETH, right? And then price breaks out and goes on a run. If we get this sort of pattern here on these coins on a weekly basis, if after this run on Bitcoin and Ethereum and everything else, and we get a weekly bullish structure pattern like we did here on Amazon, right? And one might argue we already got this on Bitcoin. Be prepared for a 10-year bull market.